Uncle M's kitchen in Japan. Today's menu is the classic Japanese breakfast. For the very first video, we're starting with miso soup. Let's go over the ingredients. Tofu, miso, wakame seaweed, HONDASHI soup stock, and green onions. Just these 5. Let's get cooking. I'll be making enough for 2 people today. First, fill the pot with water and bring it to a boil. By the way, the word miso shiru literally means miso soup. If you stay quiet, you might notice it's got some nice ASMR vibes, right? Next, chop the green onions finely. The secret to this dish is enjoying the sound of chopping. It makes you feel like a real chef. See? That rhythm makes it sound like you actually know what you're doing. But be careful, don't just focus on the sound. Make sure you're actually cutting the food, not your fingers. Until you get used to it, take your time and go slow. Oh, and whatever you do, don't accidentally use nira, that's garlic chives. Now for the tofu. Cut it into cubes about 2 centimeters wide. Since tofu is soft, you can use your palm like a cutting board. Then drop the pieces straight into the boiling water. Don't ask me why. It's something passed down from our ancestors. If you try this, be careful. Always bring the knife straight down. Never slide it sideways, or you'll cut your hand. Next, wakame seaweed. If you don't have fresh wakame, rehydrate dried wakame in water first. Even if you love dried wakame, don't soak too much in water. Why? 2 reasons. First, too much wakame overpowers the miso soup flavor. Second, it expands 5 to 10 times its size. Watch, it just keeps growing. See? Look how big it got. Cut it into bite-sized pieces and add it to the pot. At this point, turn off the heat. If the water's too hot, the miso flavor will weaken. Now add the HONDASHI. It's small because it's the Japanese size. About 1 teaspoon is perfect. Give it a gentle stir. And finally, the miso. Add the miso little by little, letting it melt into the soup each time. If you add too much at once, it'll become too salty and lose its perfect balance. The best miso soup has a harmony. The aroma of the dashi comes through clearly, while the miso's fragrance gently follows. Miso should be dissolved into the soup little by little. If you add too much at once, it'll get too salty and ruin the perfect balance. The best point is when the aroma of the dashi broth stands out, while the gentle fragrance of miso still lingers. Each miso has its own saltiness, so don't rely too much on measurements. Trust your tongue. Pour the soup into a bowl, sprinkle some chopped green onions, and there you have it, miso soup, ready to enjoy. The second dish is grilled mackerel with salt. Simple, just slice, salt, and grill. Oh, but some people aren't fond of watching fish being cleaned, so I'll blur that part out. First, fillet the fish into 3 pieces. Frozen mackerel can be too soft and fall apart. So if you can, use a fresh one. People often say fish smells fishy, but that usually happens when the blood isn't cleaned properly. Wash it well to keep it fresh and clean. Don't worry, you don't need fancy tools or rare ingredients. If you have a pan and a smile, you're good to go. On this channel, I share real Japanese home cooking, the kind we actually eat here in Japan. simple, authentic, and made with love. Let me tell you a bit about myself. I grew up in a poor family. While working at the Tsukiji fish market. In high school, I worked in both an izakaya and a sushi bar. After college, I worked around the clock to save money. During the day as a photographer and from late night doing heavy labor jobs. I barely slept, just kept pushing myself to save enough to open my own place. But then my body gave out. I've been going to the hospital ever since. All the money I'd saved for my dream went into medical bills. To make it feel like real cooking, I'm removing the bones today. After that, sprinkle salt evenly over the whole fish. Oops, sounds like it turned into ASMR again. I'm doing everything myself. Filming, editing, voice, all of it. So for now, I'll be uploading about once a week. But I'm working hard to post more and more soon. So, I decided to start this YouTube channel to share the beauty of Japanese food with the world. Someday, I want to open Japanese restaurants around the world. That'll be when my YouTube dream comes true. Please support me, like, comment, and subscribe. I already have some fun ideas ready for when the channel grows. Share this video with your friends. Got a Japanese dish you want to see me make? Let me know in the comments. Your support will help me make this dream real. Alright, back to the mackerel. In Japan, we usually grill fish using the built-in grill on the stove. But I know that's not common overseas. So let's use a frying pan instead. Start by grilling it skin side down over medium to slightly high heat. Once both sides are lightly browned, cover the pan with a lid. Start by searing the fish for about 1 minute on each side. Skin side first. Then cover and cook each side for 4 to 5 minutes. That way it gets crispy outside and juicy inside. Kind of like barbecue meat. But hey, not the Japanese barbecue way. Grinning face with smiling eyes. Don't skip the lid, it keeps the fish from drying out. Grill each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. While it's cooking, let's make grated Daikon radish. Just grate the Daikon and lightly squeeze out the excess water. When the mackerel is ready, serve it on a plate with the grated Daikon. Now, one more side dish. A small bowl of sliced cucumber topped with bonito flakes. Simple but refreshing. Serve the grilled mackerel and the cucumber side dish with a splash of soy sauce. In Japan, we have a concept called Ichiju Sansai, which means 1 soup and 3 dishes. It's a meal with rice, soup, 1 main, and 2 sides. If you've had a Japanese set meal, like at Otoya, you know what I mean. Today, I'll make 1 simple side dish, Cut some cucumbers, add bonito flakes, and you're done. When you eat, drizzle a little soy sauce over the mackerel and cucumbers. Perfect match. People often say Japanese folks are slim, healthy, and live long lives. I think it's all thanks to our diet. We learn about balanced eating from elementary school, and it becomes part of our daily life. Washiku, Japan's traditional cuisine, is even recognized as a UNESCO intangible cultural heritage. These dishes have been passed down through generations. Make sure the heat is off or kept very low while adding it. If you're reheating it later, warm it gently over low to medium heat without boiling. At this point, it's almost done. And that's it, a beautiful, balanced Japanese meal. Serve it with a bowl of rice and a small side dish, and you're ready to eat.
いただきます。
Sorry, I started eating before filming the final shot. It was just too good to resist. The savory grilled mackerel and the fresh cucumber with bonito flakes both taste even better with a little soy sauce. Rice provides energy, is easy on the stomach, supports the nervous system with B vitamins, and helps digestion and anti-aging. Miso soup can help prevent lifestyle diseases, improve skin, balance gut health, and even calm the mind. Grilled mackerel is rich in DHA and EPA, omega-3 fatty acids that help prevent heart disease and high blood pressure. The grated daikon served with it also aids digestion, boosts immunity, and promotes healthy skin. By simply enjoying delicious meals, Japanese people have become one of the longest living populations in the world. I hope you can learn and enjoy healthy, tasty meals along with me. On this channel, I share easy-to-make Japanese dishes that anyone can try, from home-cooked meals and izakaya favorites to popular recipes and original creations. If there's a Japanese dish you'd like to see, leave it in the comments. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future videos. As the channel grows, I'll start showing my face, and even traveling abroad to cook on location. Next time, I'll show you one of Japan's most loved comfort foods. You don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching Uncle Me's Kitchen in Japan.